Okay, this is an oil heater. It's Radiator style. We've been using these for years, and we really like them. She had this one open and out of the box. You even had the wheels on it, didn't you?
No.
No. I thought you had tested it.
I did, but I didn't put the wheels on.
No. Okay, so we're gonna have to put the wheels on it. Let's see here.
These are the... Talk about drop everything. Those are the wheels.
Okay, so this is an oil heater. PELONIS. We took it out of the box and now we got to put wheels on it. So these just go on here.
This.
And then they give you some little wing nuts.
And don't lose them, or you're going to have to be hunting up screws.
Duct tape. I guess duct tape wouldn't work, right? Because it would get hot.
No, that wouldn't work. It'll come unstuck.
So if you do lose these, you can get wing nuts at the hardware store.
Or if you already have some, as long as they fit. But it's real simple. You just put them on there and tighten up the screws.
Now it's an oil heater, but it's self-contained. You never see the oil. You don't have to add oil or nothing like that. It's similar to like a water radiator. You know, the water's inside the radiator. You never have to add water. So there's oil inside there that heats up. Pretty long cord, I'd say 6 foot maybe, 5 foot. Well, no, I'd say 6 foot, maybe even 7. Let's see here. Yeah, probably closer to 7. No, 6, huh? Yeah. 6 foot cord. It says do not cover. Do not put stuff on top of it. We'll talk about that later.
Well, in the winter time, we used to lay the gloves on there and dry them. We've been out in the snow.
Yeah. So they're real easy to use. Just turn it on. Turn it on low. Turn it on medium. Turn it on high. Okay. And then each setting here, you can control the power here too.
I can't get a good picture of it.
Like here we're on low, but on low setting we have it on like a medium. So usually you run it on low. Now these are different from the other ones that we have. The other ones, it was like 600 and I think 1200. I'm not sure. No, 600 and 900. Yeah, and then if you turn both buttons on, it comes up to 1200. So here they're taking away the math. You just low, medium, high. So usually low. So that would be like 600 watts. So low would probably be like 400. And then medium would be like 800. High would be, well, I think they actually have a number here for high, I think. No, it says high. The reason why I bring that up is because when the power goes out, we can actually run one of these off a generator on low, on the 600 setting. I think if we kicked it up to high, it would probably cut off the generator because it's a small one. So that's another reason why I like these, because when the power's out in the winter, we got a small generator and we can run this, the TV, and a lamp, you know. Yeah. So she used to get these cheap, right? I think when you first started buying them, it was what like 29 bucks or something like that, right?
Less than that.
Really?
Yeah.
So this one was, I think it was 71 total with tax.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, that's actually cheap. There's some that are even more expensive. They're up in the 120, 150. So that's why I thought this would be a good video. Yeah, there's a thing here on the back page that says the watts. See if you can get that in there. So low is 600, 2 is 900, 3 is 1500. So high, you're basically just adding 600 and 900. So I don't think we ever run it on high, right? You just kind of put it on low or medium. Okay, so there's the oil heater. What's nice about these is they're tip over safe. See here, it says tip over protection. So oil filled radiator heater, adjustable thermostat, 3 heat settings, tip over protection. That's the main reason why I bought this model. Overheat protection. Oh, if it gets too hot, I guess it shuts down. Power indicator light, heavy duty casters. Well, I don't know about that. Oil never needs refilling. Now this power indicator light, that's those buttons. See, we have a lot of these. You probably got 4 or 5 of them easy. Go easy on the buttons. We've got 2 in storage that the buttons are broke. They still work fine. You just got to kind of jimmy the buttons until it comes on.
Oh, that one Debbie gave me, she stuck a toothpick in there because it acted like it was loose.
So just go easy on the buttons. Just the knob, just the plastic knob is like 20 bucks. That's why you might as well just buy a new heater.
Well, no, not for 60 bucks.
If a knob was only 5 bucks, it wouldn't be so bad, but
yeah,
20 bucks for a knob, it's nuts.
They probably got a whole bucket of them.
Yeah. They know they're going to break. How do you usually run yours in your bedroom?
You usually got them low because I got my door shut.
Now your low though would be 900 because it's only got 2 settings, right?
Well, it's got
or is there 3?
3 or 4 settings, and then you can dial this to lower or higher.
So you usually have it on low, and then where do you put the top button? Around the middle?
Part way.
Yeah.
Like that.
So about 1/3 up. And then you just leave it there. You never touch it, right?
No, I just leave it there all night. Got it on low, especially if it's real cold out.
Yeah. During the day, do you normally turn it off or no?
If it warms up outside.
But normally during the winter, you don't even bother to.
No, I just leave it on low. Because if I don't, it gets too cold and the furnace comes on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did that too.
Now, that grade's kind of nasty. That's not the one we normally use. But that's the first one I found
Oh,
in the
there's
cabinet.
nothing wrong with it. It's clean.
Yeah, it's kind of greasy.
Well,
Okay, so what you can do with that is you put it on top. Well,
it won't work that way.
yeah. And then you can dry gloves and hats and stuff like that. And we've been doing that for years. That works perfectly fine. You ever set gloves right on top without the grill?
I think I did put your heavy duty ones on there,
Yeah.
but the heater was on low.
Yeah. It says on the front, it says don't cover it. Don't put a pillowcase on it or nothing like that. You know?
No. No, just put some kind of an oven rack on it. And,
Yeah. I think the one she usually uses it's smaller and lighter. And it's in there
this
somewhere.
way it's not directly on it.
Yeah.
It works.
It just got a normal plug. There's no three-way plug. You're not supposed to use an extension on these because the extension cord will heat up and start a fire. But
How about a heavy duty one?
yeah, there are appliance extension cords. Go over to the hardware store and an appliance extension cord would cost you about $20. They aren't cheap anymore. But if you need to extend it, that's the way to do it.
The heavy duty cord.
Yeah.
They're usually orange.
I think Walmart does sell a thicker extension cord. I think it's based on amps or watts or something like that. So I don't know if that would work or not. I noticed that a few months ago when I was checking out the extension cords. They had some heavy duty extension cords that looked like normal house cords. Okay. Anything else?
No, not that I can think of.
Let's plug it in and see if it works. Okay, we'll plug this thing in. See here, I won't even put it in there. I'll just put it up here. It's already on low. It would be nice if this lit up and it showed you where it was at.
I think the other one in my bedroom doesn't. It only lights up when it's on.
Yeah.
The button's on.
Some of the new ones out too, they even came with a remote control. Okay, see ya. Bye.